right, we have two carburetors here side by side. That the one by right here has a new float needle from K&L, and this one over here has the original Honda float needle. These carburetors have about 50,000 miles on them. They are a model year 2000 Valkyrie carburetors, and we have these carburetors turned upside down so they're facing up. And I want to demonstrate the difference in the spring support from the K&L float needle spring versus the original OEM spring. And what I'll do is press down both the floats until they bottom out and then release them. And what you should be seeing is the one closest to the camera here has a lot more spring bounce than the original one down here, which simply depresses slightly and is just absolutely dead. When feeling the spring pin on the float needle, it feels springy. It has about 30 grams of spring force. One of the plungers about halfway depressed. The K&L float needle has about 42 grams of spring pressure, and that accounts for this springiness and the extra force that's being applied from the floats to that float needle and spring pin. So there you go. It's a visual distinction between the K&L and the original OEM float pins.